Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily change effects on your SteelSeries Rival 650 wireless. So first, head over to SteelSeries GG app, go to Engine and select your mouse. Here, instead of settings, go to Illumination. Now enable Show Zone Guides, and you can basically change the effects here. Let's see, to multicolor brief. And now, as you guys can see, we can customize it and it will update automatically, as you guys can see. And we can also change the last one right here, and we can also change the colors. Now click save, and as you guys can see, it's working. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.